As Delhi and large parts of North India see another day of air quality in the severe zone, thick smog and terrible air pollution, the Supreme Court is now hearing Delhi's air emergency. In fact, the Chief Justice of India had some strong words this morning as the court began hearing the Delhi government's response to a petition filed by a 17-year-old Delhi student. Now, the Chief Justice has said on the stubble burning, it's so bad we're wearing masks indoors. You see how bad the situation is. He said, even in our house, we are wearing masks. Tushar Mehta then started reading out from the centre's affidavit on steps taken by them on stubble burning. He said, we are doing in situ crop residue management, stubble to be used as biomass and fuel. We're taking steps to stop stubble burning. In the last 5 to 6 days, the kind of pollution we have seen is because of stubble burning in Punjab. The Punjab government needs to buck up. And Chief Justice then responded saying, why are you projecting that pollution is only because of farmers? What about the rest? What are you doing to control pollution in Delhi? So right from the start of that hearing, the Chief Justice taking a very firm line on the air pollution question in Delhi and surrounding areas. Now, the Centre's Pollution Control Board has ordered states and local bodies to be in readiness for emergency measures to tackle New Delhi's worsening smog conditions. Now, this has been exacerbated by weather conditions, a drop in temperature and wind speeds. A thick haze of toxic smog is currently hanging over the national capital.
मैं यहाँ पर डेली एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए आता हूँ और पोल्यूशन से बड़ी सुबह में हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि आना चाहिए कि नहीं, क्योंकि पोल्यूशन का लेवल इतना ज़्यादा है और मेनली ऐसा लगता है कि पराली जलाने से पोल्यूशन है और सब सरकारों को, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार को पॉलिटिसाइज नहीं करना चाहिए। इवन दिल्ली सरकार को भी ठोस कदम उठाने चाहिए पोल्यूशन कम करने के लिए।
भाई मॉर्निंग में जो पोल्यूशन से गला ख़राब रहता है, आंखें जलने लग जाती है और सुबह विजिबिलिटी कम होती है, इसलिए अर्ली मॉर्निंग वॉक करना बहुत परेशानी का कारण है।
इतनी तकलीफ होने लगी है, चुभन सी होने लगी है, आंखों पर एक चुभन होती है। इवन पानी के जब छींटे मारते हैं उसके बाद भी वो रिलीफ नहीं मिलता और हम जब महंगे इक्विपमेंट्स ले रहे हैं, एयर प्योरीफायर भी ले रहे हैं, बट वो ऐसा असर नहीं आता है जो कि एक नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट में आता है।
एक्चुअली मेरे यहाँ तो सबके गलों में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है एंड सांस लेने में बहुत दिक्कत भी हो रही है और ऊपर से हम मास्क लगा के रखते हैं। सो क्या हो रहा है कि इट्स गेटिंग सफोकेटिंग।
Meher Pandey joining us with the latest on that big story. She's on the Barapulla flyover in the national capital. The sun a little more visible at this point, Meher, but is there any difference in the smog levels?
So Ankita, you can see, I hope you can see all the smog that is still behind me. Cities in the Delhi NCR region are bearing the brunt of pollution today. Out of the top 10 most polluted cities, NCR cities are 5 of them, which really shows you the cost that this region is paying. Severe air pollution has now continued for 10 days. This is the 10th day. This is maybe the longest spell of smog since 2018. Now, severe levels of air pollution also impact people who have pre-existing illness conditions, but also people who are completely healthy. So the cost could be very high. According to updates from my colleague Sukirti, who is in the Supreme Court right now, there is a hearing on for addressing pollution in this region. There may be some action we can expect because the Chief Justice has made some strong remarks. He's actually said that he's having to wear masks indoors, and also, of course, people who are outdoors are also facing the worst of the pollution crisis. Yesterday, the Central Board of Pollution actually released some guidelines. These are not binding, which has been disappointing for many people, but they did say that pollution should be addressed by reducing vehicular use in the Delhi region. Government and private offices need to be reducing their vehicle use by 30%, they said. But this is not a binding advice, which has been disappointing to many people. In Delhi, 50% of the pollution of local sources, mind you, are coming from vehicular pollution. Stubble burning does play a role, but there is local sources of pollution as well, which is what the Supreme Court has also observed, that local pollution needs to be addressed, and it hasn't been so far. Many people are disappointed with the Delhi government's actions on this. The Delhi government will be submitting their affidavit on what actions they have taken. They've already submitted this document in court, but once we have more updates on what exactly they say they've done, we can tell you a bit more about what the people feel about this. So far, people are very disappointed. People's healths are being affected from this.